Hi guys, how are you doing? First of all, I'd like to congratulate you guys on your selection of Python as the programming language. As you can Google and find out, right? Python has a lot of advantages over the other languages. In fact, lately, it even took over Java as the most popular language on Stack Overflow. So, well, let's leave all of this aside. I'm just going to tell you, oh my god, these websites have so many ads. But yes, I'm going to tell you that Python is a very, very versatile language and it has extensive support from the unbelievable tech community. But yes, let's keep all that crap aside and start with our first basics, which is going to be setting up the Python, for which I'm going to use Sublime Text. Now, let's download Sublime Text. This is where we're going to run all our Python code. And this is not a GUI, guys, but it's still preferable because this does not need internet. Anyway, so I already have this installed. I don't need to reinstall it. But you guys can go to this website and just install it for free. And once you've done that, you can just open Sublime Text, and what we're going to do is open a new tab, and as you can see here, plain text is the current version, but what we have to do is change the language to Python. And I keep getting things, but yeah. So we'll go to file, we'll save the file as a Python file. Let's see what we have. Python tutorial, I'm going to save it as my first tutorial.py. So .py is the important part. Oops, I made an error. Yeah. So now you can see Python is written here, and let's just make sure we have things ready. And Control B is the shortcut to run. Oh yeah. Thank you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys are all really excited. And we are going to start right with the basics from the next tutorial. Thank you. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel.